If you want to change your resume on Indeed, here is how you're going to do it. So, if you want to edit or remove the resume entirely or to replace it entirely, I will show you a quick tutorial on how you're going to do that. So, without further ado, let's get started with the tutorial. So, first things first, you're going to head over to Indeed.com, and then from here, you're going to make sure that you're signed into your account or you have created an account. Once you're in your dashboard, you're going to click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, and then from there, you're going to click on profile. Here's where you can find your resume. So if you just scroll down a little bit, you will see this resume section. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on Indeed resume right there. And then from here, you're going to click on the three dots icon from the top right of the screen. Now from here, you can either upload to replace a resume or delete it to replace it entirely. So if you already have a resume prepared or if you have a new one already, you can just click on upload to replace your resume, and then once you have chosen your file, just gonna click on open right here. Now once you have it uploaded, your resume will be replaced entirely, and all you have to do is to click on continue and submit in order for it to be processed and to be confirmed. Now once you have it changed, then you will have a completely new resume. Now if for example you just want to change some of the details in your resume and you don't want to replace it entirely, then what you're going to do, or the best bet for you, is to just click on this pen icon right here in the top right corner once again. And then from there, you can just edit all of the information that you want to edit. And that's it. That is how you're going to change your resume on Indeed. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.